Hi. Today, I'm going to show you an introduction about Honda gasoline engine, which can be used for a jumping jack compactor. It's GX100, GX120, GX160. Let's get started. May you know about Honda? So let's make a simple introduction about it. Established in September 1948 Japan. Founder Soichiro Honda. Its consolidated sales revenue 15,888.6 billion yen. For the fiscal year ended March 31, 2019. That's equal to $150 billion. Associates more than 240,000. With a global presence. Regarding to the Honda engines, it manufactures approximately 5 million general-purpose engines in 6 countries and provides them to 86 countries around the world as the power sources for various machines used in construction, industry, agriculture, home use lawn moving, and gardening equipment, as well as various handheld devices including hedge trimmers, ranging from 118 to 389 cubic centimeter in total displacement. Okay. Now, let's dive into construction industry using, for example, a jumping jack rammer, GX100, GX120 and GX160 all can be used for it. GX100, what are same and what are the differences? Fuel efficient, same aspect. Precision camshaft design offers precise valve timing and optimal valve overlap for better fuel efficiency. High compression ratio for better fuel efficiency. Difference: GX100 is OHC, GX120 and GX160 is noise. Same aspect. Large capacity, multi-chamber exhaust system. Reduced mechanical noise due to lightweight, noise-reducing materials. Forged steel crankshaft and rigid crankcase. Sophisticated air intake system. Difference: GX100 and GX160. Quieter than previous model. Helical cut, use and maintain. Same. Large fuel tanks. Large automotive type fuel cap. Easily accessible spark plug. Difference: GX120 and GX160. Simple throttle control. Dual oil drains and fill. Easy, convenient, heavy-duty control box. For more tech specification differences, please click the link in description below the video. Welcome your any comments and questions. Please also subscribe our channel. Thanks.